Hello world, welcome to Credit King, another episode. We're here in the office once again. I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about our new sauces, okay? And I actually have them pulled up here on the laptop. We got my business partner, CJ, to the left of me, and he is orchestrating this entire venture. I'm actually on a live call with one of my other business calls, Shrubbery CBD himself. Now I'm going to go through the sauces really quickly and let you guys know how a CBD company benefits from this business and how a video production company benefits from this business. Two random corporations, nothing that you guys may know, because I want you guys to understand how simple this is. You can actually be a recording artist and not have any overhead, any expenses, and still take advantage of building your credit personally and for your business. Credit King, watch this. Bronze sauce, $100. That's all I'm asking. And you guys know we have business to cover over here. We have expenses and overhead at Credit King. But one 30-minute conference call. Silver sauce, $200. Simple. We ain't trying to get your whole pockets. You feel me? We ordinary people. Unlimited conference calls, schedule upon availability, 2 services guaranteed. Gold sauce, $300. Once again, it's really simple. Unlimited conference calls, VIP. You feel me? Call me whenever you want. As long as I'm awake, which I am 20 hours out of the 24 hours a day, I will answer your call. 3 services guaranteed. Crown sauce, $400. Unlimited calls, VIP, 4 services guaranteed. Free sauces sent via text daily. It's that simple. Ordinary guy, just like I told you guys in the YouTube video. I made that YouTube video very simple on my couch at home right before I went to bed on purpose with a hoodie on, because I wanted people to understand I'm an ordinary person just like you, just putting my left foot down and my right foot down and getting to walking what I'm talking. You feel me? Getting to work just like you can. Credit King. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Peace and love and power, family. All that.